This recording is meant as a wraparound because most of the material that I recorded from Work 2 is fine, except for how to get in. So I'm just going to hit that topic. So you're going to go to Apps, American EDU, and at this point you should have VMware Horizon working and Duo working. So first you put in your regular password, and then you should get a Duo request, and you're going to need a tablet or something, and I'm looking on my phone for my Duo password. Get rid of these dots. Ask for a new password. In my case, I'm going to type it in. Okay. Then I'm going to click on SPSS and launch it with VMware Horizon Client. At this point I don't need my browser, I just minimize it in case I need it. I don't think I need it. So you're going to have to locate your journal file and change storage options. In the video I was going through the VCL and I dealt with the journal file as a very last step. But because we're using a different system, you have to redirect your journal file as the first thing you're doing. I'm not sure if you have to do this each time or just the first time, but definitely you have to do it at least once. This always takes way longer than I expect it to. Eventually it has to finish loading. Okay, I don't need the welcome window, I need this window. And first I'm going to say Edit, Options, File Locations. And it's going to tell me where my journal file is. I'm going to do an overwrite rather than a pen. And I'm going to just put my journal directly on my desktop. So I'm going to look, I have to look for my Z directory, which means my local computer. And I actually want to put it on my desktop. There we go. And with any luck, it should show up. It says SPSS dummy. That's good news. Okay. I say apply. Not this one. Okay. Looks good. Save. Apply. Okay. There we go. It should be working. See, now I have statistics over here. And that's great. Okay. Now I want to grab a copy of my old data. But that's not how I do it. Sorry. File, import data. I have to read my own instructions. Import data, CSV data. And then I have to look. In this case, I'm going to get mine. I have no idea. I'm gonna put a copy of it on my desktop because I don't know how else to access it. This is the file I want to upload. So I'm gonna look at the desktop again. See, for me, now this file's on my desktop. There we go. And then, fine, open this. Navigate the set of menus and finally say OK. OK. Yes, first line does contain variable names. Looks, please don't crash on me. OK. OK, there we go. There's my data. Now instead of doing the entire video over again, I'm just going to save a pie chart. Okay, so I'm going to do step 5, and the rest of it you can watch on the other video. So graphs, legacy dialogues, high, and then hit enter, and then click define. slices by group. Once it says define slices by group, hit OK. And then we're going to right-click pie chart, or double-click for Mac users. Edit content in separate window. Okay. On each slice of pie, or right, oh, do it all at once. Right or double-click, and then show all labels. There, it did it all at once, somehow. So I think I could have done each wedge separately or the whole pie. I got lucky. And as a side effect, this opens your properties window. Yep. Ask for both group and percent as labels. Okay, you don't really need the count then. There we go. There we go. That's good. Apply and close. There you go. So the original pie chart should now be updated. Okay? So then you continue the rest of the assignment, and then what's going to happen is on step 18 you're going to say File, Export. So again, do all the other steps. File. Oh, I don't want to save this part, sorry. I'm back in here. Here, this is the part I want to click File, Export, type equals PDF. Great. Now give the file some logical name. Output is okay. I will be kind of bored if everybody does that. Actually, I'm just going to browse. I'm going to put mine in my desktop again. And homework 2, it will automatically give the extension. Alright. Okay. And then I'm going to just double click this in Adobe or whatnot. As soon as this is finished, I'm going to double click and make sure everything looks good, because I don't want to close everything down and lose all my progress. It sure is taking a while. Thought I'd get lucky and see if it was actually finished. It's not. So this should intersperse the graphics together with the code. I have no idea why it's taking so long. I'm going to just go ahead and open this to make sure it looks good. Yeah, so this is your code that was created. It said we opened this file, and then it said we made a pie chart, which is what we did. And so when you see this PDF, you should see all the same stuff that was in your journal, but also your graphics should be interspersed with your code. You're not going to have your name on it. This is not a formal submission in the normal sense. This is you're proving to me that you actually went through the steps properly. Alright, so now that you see your journal file is fine and your homework2.pdf file is fine, again, you have all your steps in there, not just your pie chart. But now that we're happy, now we can go ahead and close this. And you don't have to save anything, and you can close that down. Alright, then you would go, as soon as you're done, hey, don't bother saving it. Okay. As soon as you have now your PDF in your journal, you're done with your homework, you just go right onto Blackboard and submit those 2 files, and you're done. And that's it. And hopefully this recording works. I never know.